install and calibrate this MakeSafe Power Tool brake. You should have received your brake. You will also have some sort of activation means. It might be a button on the end of a cord or a pedal. You might even have your button installed on the brake itself. You're also going to have your manual as well as the tool you're planning to brake. So first thing you want to do is go through the manual and make sure that you actually have a compatible tool. It should be an AC induction motor device. And there's some information here on how to find that. First thing we're going to do before we calibrate this is we are going to take a small Phillips or flathead screwdriver and we're going to find these two adjustment points. One that says time. We're going to stick the screwdriver and go counterclockwise till it stops. We're going to do the same for torque. What we're doing here is putting this on the lowest possible setting so we can calibrate it. We're then going to take your power tool, in this case our Harbor Freight disc sander, and I'm going to plug it into my device. Next, I'm going to take my button and I'm going to plug this into my device. And don't worry, there's only one way this can go in, so you don't have to worry about installing it backwards. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the locking screw on there. And then I have my button, which I'm going to put conveniently right here for now. Now, I can plug in my brake. Now notice this is the last thing I plug in. So now we're going to need to arm this device, and we do that by taking the power switch and just turning it on, then off again. And that arms this device and acknowledges that it is installed and you're good to go. And now we're going to try a brake. So we're on the lowest settings. I'm going to turn the tool on, and I'm going to press the button to brake it. Now notice, it barely broke at all, so it had very low braking torque as well as a low braking period. So we're going to adjust those. We're going to start by increasing the braking period by going to this time adjustment and turning it about a quarter turn. And we're going to try it again. Turn our device off and on, and brake. A little bit longer, still not hard enough. Now I'm going to go in and adjust this torque setting, turn it about a quarter turn, and we continue this until it's at a place you like. Now you never want to brake your tool too hard. You'll actually, that can cause some unsafe things to happen. So you want to make sure that you're really trying to maximize time and minimize torque. There we go. Perfectly tuned.